everyone, friends. Welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you what a recovery email address is. I'll demonstrate using a Google account. Simply put, a recovery email is the address that helps you regain access to your main account if you forget your login info or lose access. It's where recovery codes and information will be sent. For a Google account, go to Google Account Management, Security, and you'll find Recovery Email. This is your backup email address. When you go there, you'll need to enter your password first since it's accessing security settings. Here you add your email address and Google will send a verification code there. Enter that code and it'll be set as your recovery email. This has been Weller. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.